Hey, what's up guys? I am SteelSeries Tech Reviews here, and today I am going to be doing a review of the SteelSeries Stratus XL. Doing on my left, that is right, is on my left, ready to review. And it's going to be a review and the setup of how to actually get it to work. Now the controller, I think it works, but for some reason it is a pain. It is a pain to set up. So yes, it does need Steam. For some reason, for me, it requires me to install Steam. So tell me in the comments what you think if you need Steam for that. So anyways, let's get to review. Alright, so let's take a look at the design. Design looks pretty sleek compared to the Steam controller, which is like you put it to the top and like look at this. Just look at that. I mean, who would like to do this on the Steam controller? I mean, this looks pretty amazing, but not something that normally wouldn't like. I mean, the Steam controller is pretty thick compared to any controllers. Look how thick this thing is, but this is like a little bit thick. Like, alright. So the buttons are colored like in the Steam controller, but these are not colored. This doesn't really click as much. You got your battery life indicator. You got your D-pad. And now, jumping into the, like, those are pretty much the designs of these things. Alright. I'm going to jump to the connectivity of the controller. Now the connectivity. Controller connects to Bluetooth, so you will need to be on a Bluetooth enabled PC, Mac. Well, not PC, it's only for PC. But you can also connect this with any Android's phone. If you want to use this controller for a Mac computer, you need to get the iOS and Mac version. Sorry, dude. This controller is only supported on Windows and Android. So if you want to play your favorite games like Asphalt 8 on your Android, where you don't like to be tilting the phone as much, then this controller is right for you. Because it has all the necessary components. Now, the problem is, like, I tried getting the controller configured, but the configuration of that I mapped with is no longer working what we have been using months ago with this controller, but unfortunately, it's not working. I have no idea, there's something have to be wrong with the calibration. So, there it is, right there. And jump into the conclusion. Now, conclusion is, the controller is pretty good. It's just very difficult to set up if you do not have a Steam account, because it's very easier if you have a Steam account and the app itself on your computer. So there you have it. So I am SteelSeries Tech Reviews from here, giving you reviews of gaming and hardware technology. I am